For many homeowners, having spiders around can be a very stressful experience. While many are beneficial, there's almost no telling when you'll come across the one that will bite. What's worse is when they invade your home to set up nests without your knowledge. You can have just one spider in the corner one day, then nests filled with spider eggs the next. So in this video, we'll show you how to look for spider nests and eliminate them quickly so you won't have to worry about spider infestations breaking out. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping with Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first things you should do in any pest control plan are to identify what you're dealing with and inspect your property for signs of activity. Many different spider species are capable of making nests. You may find the sacs some spiders use to keep their eggs, or you can find the webs they settle in to wait for prey. Some of the more common spiders known to invade homes and build nests are the sac spider, orb weaver spider, hobo spider, funnel web spiders, and cobweb spiders. Spiders like to make nests in dark, secluded areas when inside of homes. Indoors, they most often make nests in the attic, garage, or basement. They can also make nests in corners of high ceilings or wherever there may be clutter. You may also find them outdoors along the structure. Especially keep an eye out for spider webs that have small sacs of webbing that are cream-colored and are round or oblong-shaped. These nests may contain spider eggs, which you'll want to avoid crushing. Aside from the nests themselves, the presence of spiderlings is another sign that nests are nearby. After inspecting your property for spider nests, it's time to start treatment. Be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until the products run dry. Start your treatment by knocking down and wiping away webs with Webb Out, a cobweb duster, and an extension pole. Webb Out is a ready-to-use organic spray pesticide that not only makes it easier to clean up and prevent webs, but it can also treat spiders and their egg sacs, killing them in minutes. Simply shake the bottle well and spray directly on all webs and eggs you found during your inspection. Avoid spraying spiders directly if you plan to relocate them. The Webb Out will break down the webbing to make web removal much easier, and it will leave a long residual that will prevent spiders from reforming webs on the treated surfaces. Once the webbing is thoroughly wet, brush them away with your cobweb duster. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. Once you've removed all webs and nests, you'll need to take measures to ensure spiders don't reinfest in the future. To do this, you'll need to treat for the pests that are the spider's potential food sources with a long-lasting pesticide like Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a bifenthrin-based pesticide concentrate that will leave a residual barrier that kills many insects like mosquitoes, crane flies, fungus gnats, or other bugs that spiders can prey on. Spiders don't actually pick up residual chemicals, which make barrier treatments perfect for getting rid of insects without bringing direct harm to spiders. As a general barrier treatment, apply Reclaim IT at a rate of 1 fluid ounce per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We also recommend you use a handheld pump sprayer since you'll be making targeted spot or barrier treatments in and around your home. To mix your spray solution, open the sprayer, add half a gallon of water, and add your measured amount of product. Add the remaining half a gallon, close the sprayer, and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump your sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. Make a barrier treatment around the entry points of your home. Be sure to spray around doors, around the garage door, around windows, eaves, voids in the wall, and utility penetrations including light fixtures. Indoors, you can make crack, crevice, and spot treatments to target areas where spiders or insects may be harboring. As with Webb Out, if you plan on relocating any spiders, do so before spraying and avoid spraying them directly. When applied properly, you should notice significantly reduced pest activity around your home within 1 to 2 weeks. You may see the occasional spider every now and then, but they will be unable to establish nests in the areas you've treated. Spider nests may be unsightly, but they can also indicate potential outbreaks of spiders in and outside your home. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop spiders from infesting your home, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.